Checks on CCTV equipment. Check that the recording system is operating correctly, including replaying of pre-recorded images. Check that all cameras are correctly angled and that the correct area of coverage is being achieved. Check that the cameras are in focus. For non-fixed cameras, that is, those cameras that have pan, tilt, and zoom functions, check that the movement functionality is operating correctly. Check the view from each camera to see whether the lens or dome needs cleaning in order to provide clarity. Check the view from each camera to ensure that it has not been moved from its normal view. Check the view from each camera and detectors are clear from obstruction such as trees or other foliage. Check that the external lighting is working and that the time clocks are accurately set. For remotely monitored CCTV systems, we recommend that you check that the movement detectors are working as they should with regards to detecting movement in defined areas. Again, for remotely monitored CCTV systems, you will need to check that the audio challenge facility is operating correctly